QuickBooks Error 81624. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Check and update the company address detail. Step 1. Open QuickBooks. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. Step 2. Select Account and Settings under your company. Step 3. You'll then be taken to the Account and Settings page. Click on the Address section to edit. Step 4. Check the company address and make sure that there are no errors. Step 5. Make changes if necessary and click on Save. Step 6. You should also check the phone number. Solution 2. Update payment details via Incognito window. Step 1. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N keys together to open Incognito mode. Step 2. Once done, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Step 3. Click on the gear icon on the top right side of the window. Step 4. Then select Account and Settings under your company. Step 5. Here, you can change the company contact and address information as required. Step 6. Now go to the Billing and Subscription tab and select Edit next to your card detail. Step 7. Make the changes as required and save it. Solution 3. Clear cache from your main browser. Step 1. Open your browser and click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Step 2. Go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Step 3. Once you're in the Clear Browsing Data window, stay in the Basic tab and select the time range. Step 4. If you do not want to delete your browsing history, you can uncheck it. Step 5. Make sure that cookies and cached options are selected. Step 6. Then click on the Clear Data button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.